Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon mayo onigiri. Start by flaking salmon finely and mixing it with Japanese mayo, a splash of soy sauce, and a pinch of salt. Make sure the mixture is moist but not runny so it holds its shape. Prepare warm sushi rice, season lightly with salt, and shape rice into triangles around the filling using wet hands for clean edges and easy handling. In this video, I will show how to make salmon mayo onigiri. To shape perfectly, wet your palms and take a handful of warm rice, creating a shallow indentation in the center. Add a teaspoon of salmon mayo filling, then fold rice around it and press into a compact triangle, not too tight to crush the grains. Cover with a strip of nori if desired, and let rest briefly so the shape sets before serving. In this video, I will show how to make salmon mayo onigiri. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes tidying cereal and rice crumbs effortless, and voice control means you can call it while forming onigiri. It's a helpful kitchen sidekick that adds convenience and a little fun. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and like, check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make salmon mayo onigiri. Experiment with flavors by adding chopped green onion, shiso, or a sprinkle of togarashi to the salmon mayo. For a citrus twist, stir in a little yuzu or lemon zest into the mayo. If you like heat, mix in sriracha to taste. These small changes let you tailor the onigiri to your preferences while keeping the classic comforting texture intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.